Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for joining me for a sneak peek at the April 2021 Kiwi Club Kit. This one is called Over the Rainbow, and I already took it out of the packaging because that sound, every time I listen to the videos back, I think, why am I torturing people with that ripping plastic sound? So I will show you the back of the package in just a second, but look at this fun template. Oh my goodness, it's called A La Carte Swirl. I'm thinking you could put pictures in here or different colors of paper, maybe different patterns of paper. I don't know. I think this one's going to be fun. There's also a little cloud. It's a little cutie. Okay, A La Carte cloud. And then we've got Splash 1 and Splash 2. So two different drops. These might actually be kind of fun coming out of the watering pot from last month's kit, kind of splashing up out of that pot. So something to think about. Even splashing off of like the coastal highway water one. I don't know. I've got some thoughts kind of percolating. These enamel dots were also part of the kit. So just a rainbow collection of dots, which is cool. Definitely find a use for those. And I'm really liking even just the packaging. This cute little over the rainbow is very sweet. The back of the package always gives you a glimpse of the papers that we're going to see inside. And then it shows you which templates are part of this month's kit and then which ones they really are featuring in the Ideas to Inspire book. Okay. So lots of fun stuff going on there. Let's get to looking at this paper. So I am going to put this way because of the boots. So look at these little rain boots, you guys. So fun. Little clouds with raindrops and umbrellas. I'm like thinking I need to stage some pictures of my grandbabies out playing in the rain just so I have a fun way to use that paper. The back side is a really rich red. So just lovely color with a design on it. We've got these fun rainbows. They kind of look like kid drawn, which I think is neat. And then this really cool blue, kind of a green. It's a paper with geometric design. And I love this one. This is a really rich red. And I don't know how well you can see that all these little lines are like different colors. This is a beautiful paper. I like that one a lot. And then a real bright yellow on the back. I'm going to do these this way because I want you to see the array of colors in here. All right, this one is just a white with a gray design on it. And this deep, deep orange. Look at this one. Wow! That's kind of tricky on the eyes, but really fun. And then the back side just has these little clouds. Then we've got this green or kind of tealish color with all kinds of dots on it. It almost looks like paint splatters. Okay, but look at the back. Wow, that purple is woohoo, super fun. All right, then we've got the background sheets. So there's a white with just a little light blue, I guess it's light blue or gray design on it. So two sheets of that. And then on the back, it's light blue with a white design. So really neutral, definitely easy to use. Then we've got this medium blue with some little black lines on it. And it's a real deep red on the other side. So I'm just going to do it this way so you can see the assortment. But you got a rainbow of paper to play with this month. So I don't think anybody can complain that it's not bright paper this month. Alrighty, and then as I go through the cards, I'll lay them down backside up so you can see them as well. So trust the magic of new beginnings. That could go for so many things. Okay. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, but a good amount of it actually is. Nice. Be the sunshine in the rain that makes the rainbow. So fun. And I love all of these beautiful colors on the back. So any cards that you're not using or that you have scraps from, you can really incorporate into your designs as well. So happy just because. You are God's masterpiece. Unique. Just be you. Okay. Good vibes only. Everything will be fine. You are nothing short of amazing. Some of these would be really fun cards too, you guys. I might do a card video this month in addition to my layout video. We'll see. You are a rainbow of possibilities. The greatest day. That's a fun little journaling block. You make me happy when skies are gray. I sang You Are My Sunshine to my babies. So I don't know if they remember it the way I remember it, but fond memories there. Hello, sunshine. My future is so bright. Matched up with some of these papers, that would be really fun. Happy memories, just a little journaling card there with those kind of hand-drawn or kid-drawn rainbows. The best time is with you. You're never too old to dance in the rain. So lots of really great things to play with this month, you guys. I have not had a chance to look at the idea book. So that is my next job, is to go get that downloaded. I am hoping to be playing with paper this weekend, so I want to have that idea book with me for some inspiration. So here's just a quick glance at everything that was included this month. If you are not already a club member, there's always a link in the description box if you just want to go and check it out. It will link to me if you don't already have a Kiwi Lane person, but if you do, even if you follow my link, you still remain tied to that person. So don't ever worry about that. The system knows who you are working with, so not a big deal one way or another. Lots of fun stuff going on here. I hope that you enjoyed the time that you took to take a minute out and check this out. I always appreciate the time that you spend with me, and I will talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.